What would you like to say about the Gen, about today's Gen?
I do not bifurcate on those terms. Very frankly, मैं उतना सोचता नहीं हूँ. इंसान इंसान होता है. इस terms में नहीं कि ये Gen Z है तो इसको मैं इस तरीके से देखूंगा, ये millennial है. इंसान इंसान है, हर एक इंसान की अपनी अपनी trait होती है. आप उसको समझो, अगर समझ पाए तो अच्छा होता है.
So this
Family
basis,
audience बहुत enjoy करती है.
yeah,
ये TV के लिए show है.
TV show, yes.
And Jio
it
Hotstar,
is,
like,
yeah.
it's like
And
a-
you are, sir. पर ऐसा नहीं है कि
for both.
action है और TV audience.
Where's
के
the
लिए
base
नहीं
of the hospital? It must be cantonment, but where?
Yes, it's in Uri.
Uri, yeah, okay.
Uri is the
will
place.
relate with that Uri also.
Yeah. But it's a true story. Like basically, there's a hospital in Kashmir who are known and who also believe in this. Ki if there is even one breath left, we'll make sure that you don't
The
die.
person survives.
So it must be very difficult to adjust with the civilians, na?
Yeah, when I came out of the cantonment, I used to call people civilians, and then some civilian friend of me, he's like, "Dude, stop placing yourself on a pedestal."
So this time, your show base hospital, 108. What is this 108 base hospital, and all army background on the Independence Day? What is
Yes.
freedom to you?
I think freedom for me is personal liberty, individuality, being able to be who you are, and just owning your truth, and your actions and your words matching and being aligned with your own self. That is freedom for me.
So nice. So with Zen Millennium,
Me? No, I'm a millennial.
Millennium, better than Gen Z.
Yeah.
You've never, but even y'all don't like to be in the clutches of the parental this thing, na?
I mean, it depends. I think, like, I love my parents, of course, and I love
Obviously.
my mom. But obviously, it's always a very delicate, fragile relationship, because they're coming from this mindset. You're changing, so you have to adjust and somehow come midway. So I think, but you have to like thoda sa to ladna padta hai.
But Gashwar is a parent, so he knows how to adjust. What would you like to say about the Gen, about today's Gen?
I do not bifurcate on those terms. Very frankly, मैं उतना सोचता नहीं हूँ. इंसान इंसान होता है. उसकी उम्र कुछ भी हो. आजकल एक्सपोजर बहुत ज्यादा है लोगों के पास, तो ऑब्वियसली वो थोड़े से ज्यादा फॉरवर्ड होंगे हमसे. सो वो ठीक है यार, लेकिन मैं इस टर्म में नहीं कि ये जेन जी है तो इसको मैं इस तरीके से देखूंगा, ये मिलेनियल है. इंसान इंसान है, हर एक इंसान की अपनी अपनी ट्रेट होती है. आप उसको समझो, अगर समझ पाए तो अच्छा होता है.
Correct.
But parents, today's parents, even I'm elder to y'all. We like to adjust to the whims and fancies of the kids.
हाँ, वो तो है. आई थिंक उसमें भी चीज है कि जैसे अभी मेरे बच्चे के लिए स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं है, हम उसको स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं देते, वो हमारा चॉइस है. और बट देन हमें क्या होता है कि हमें उसमें बहुत टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है. स्क्रीन टाइम बड़ा आपको ना आसानी से आप टैब उसके हाथ में पकड़ा दो और आप फ्री हो जाओ, ये वाली चीज होती है. तो लेजी पेरेंटिंग जिसको आप कहते हैं, तो वो तो मतलब उसका आज या कल से कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. तो आपके एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग और पेरेंट क्या माइंडसेट है आपका, कि आप बच्चे को अगर वक्त दे सकते हो, उसमें वो एनर्जी डाल सकते हो, तो आप उसको इन चीज़ों से थोड़ा सा दूर रख सकते हो. तो वो वाला है. तो उनके फैंसीज को कहाँ गिवन करना है और कहाँ नहीं करना है, ये इतना आपको सेंस होना चाहिए एज अ पेरेंट. आप सेंसिटिव हो अगर एज अ पेरेंट, इफ यू ऑलवेज वांट, लाइक आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी अ फादर, सो आई इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन माय चाइल्ड. सो देन आई डोंट गिव इन टू दीज काइंड ऑफ फैंसीज व्हिच आर नॉट गुड फॉर यू. ये हर एक युग में पेरेंट ही होता है भाई, वो बदलता नहीं है. या तो वो एक सेंसिटिव पेरेंट हो सकता है या थोड़ा सा insensitive हो सकता है, इतना ही.
Okay. I was watching the trailer, and it was so intrigued, especially when you enter and she wants you to get lost. And the look you gave, I could conceptualize the entire thing, How would you like to explain or elaborate your character in this,
No, I think it covers a very human side of all army officers.
Yes.
It is not only about combat and saving. It is about that, definitely, most definitely. There's a lot of combat and stuff and their missions and everything.
Yeah.
But along with that, what is their personal life like? See, you as a viewer, you army का आप सब उनका एक्शन सब देखते हो, पर उनकी निजी जिंदगी
ह्यूमन साइड
कैसे अफेक्ट होती है, उनके निजी जिंदगी में क्या प्रॉब्लम है जिसके साथ वो कैसे टैकल करते हैं, उनके परिवार की क्या समस्याएं होती हैं और वो उसके साथ कैसे डील करते हैं, ये जानने में बड़ी दिलचस्पी ऑडियंस को होगी. तो ये शो उस चीज को भी एक्सप्लोर करता है. तो ये जो नैना और मेरा, मतलब नैना और अनिरुद्ध का आप ये मोमेंट बता रहे हो, उनकी भी एक निजी जिंदगी, एक लव लाइफ होगी, उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड होगी, उनकी शादी हो गई होगी तो बीवी होगी, तो ये सब पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स वो कैसे टैकल करते हैं वो हमने बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया है। सेंसिटिव शो है, तो आप
So this
फैमिली ऑडियंस
basis,
बहुत एंजॉय करते
yeah,
हैं। टीवी के लिए शो है
TV show, yes.
And Jio
It
Hotstar,
is,
like, it's
yeah.
like
एंड
a
यू हॉटस्टार, पर ऐसा नहीं है कि
for both.
एक्शन एक्शन है और टीवी ऑडियंस
Where's the base of the hospital? It must be cantonment, but where?
Yes, it's in Uri.
Uri, yeah, okay.
Uri is the
will
place.
relate with that Uri also.
Yeah. But it's a true story. Like basically, there's a hospital in Kashmir who are known and who also believe in this. Ki if there is even one breath left, we'll make sure that you don't die. So it's inspired from that hospital. Actually, it's a different
Yeah.
number,
And
but
I know
same.
military hospitals because I hail from the army background.
Me too.
This one
My
also.
father was in the signals. My brother was in Assam regiment.
Nice.
Which corps are you from?
I'm from Rashtriya Rifles.
He's from
Okay.
Rashtriya. I'm an army doctor.
Acha.
So
Yeah,
I'm
from the
AMC,
medical.
AMC.
Medical.
Hospital.
From the
AMC,
medical.
AMC.
From there.
Yeah. So it must be very difficult to adjust with the civilians, na?
Yeah, when I came out of the cantonment, I used to call people civilians, and then some civilian friend of me, he's like, "Dude, stop placing yourself on a pedestal." Ki, why are you like calling me a civilian? तू भी civilian है.
How do you like the discipline, determination, and devotion, especially as a doctor? Because they're very different, as you said, even as doctors, army doctors. I mean, now the trend has changed, How do you have to devote yourself as a character
No, I
in the
just
series?
See, I'll tell you what. Discipline is a part of every profession. In the army, it is held at a very high level. That is for sure. So what happens is your body language is very different to what it could be as a normal civilian that you're playing.
Mhm.
So that was something that I had to take care of. That was something that I enjoyed doing.
Yeah.
Like keeping my postures absolutely correct while doing the scene
I
and
know.
everything.
हाँ.
I started enjoying that. तो वो यूनिफॉर्म पहनते ही मैं वो ऐसा जो एक चौड़ा आर्मी
चौड़ा है।
वैसा ही रहता था 12 घंटे के लिए शिफ्ट खत्म होने तक। तो चाहे मैं रोमांटिक सीन करूँ, इमोशनल सीन करूँ या कॉम्बैट में लड़ाई करूँ, इट्स गोना बी द सेम। तो वो मुझे बड़ा मजा आया।
And it's releasing on the 15th of August,
August,
yes.
Independence
What
Day.
a lovely date.
What a lovely date, and what is independence
Blessed.
to you, because it was very difficult for during those times, to free ourselves from the
Yeah.
clutches of the Britishers.
Yeah.
My father was there; he attended both the wars, और झंडा फहराने को पाकिस्तान अलग नहीं होता. They were standing with this thing, And when I'm talking that, I'm getting jitters.
Yeah.
But ironically, Kashmir didn't come to our side, So what is independence to you? Because y'all have not seen, even I have not seen those. हम तो एक इंडिपेंडेंट भारत में पैदा हुए हैं और आज भी डेमोक्रेसी एग्जिस्ट करती है सिर्फ इंडिया में. So what is 15th?
I think it's only gratitude. I think everybody under the sun, like living in India as of now, or living in Mumbai especially,
Yeah.
should have only and only gratitude for where you're born and the independence that you enjoy. Because a lot of people, not only in other countries, maybe some places or some remote parts of our country also do not enjoy the kind of independence that we do.
Exactly,
So not to take that for granted and always having gratitude for that this is what we enjoy. नहीं तो हमेशा हमारे पास सिर्फ चीजों के complaints ही होते हैं।
complaints ही
तो
होते
वो
हैं.
ना
Yeah.
करें।
Yeah. So any message you would like to give, to the today's generation, Any message?
Today's generation, I that's what I'm saying. That don't take your independence for granted, and you have a voice. You have the opportunity or the choice of doing something that you like to do. You've been given that, so don't take that for granted.
Don't
Have
take it for
gratitude.
yeah,
Have
yeah, yeah,
gratitude.
yeah.
Have gratitude.
You can add something?
Yeah, I think for me, personal freedom is something that I think everybody should work on, and I think you should have the ability to be who you are, because we are all born different. जैसे पांचों उंगलियां सबकी सब अलग होती हैं, तो वो आपको जानना ज़रूरी है कि आप अलग हो, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम आप में वही इमोशंस हैं, वही दर्द है, वही चीज़ें हैं जो हम सबको यूनाइट करती हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट ability to speak your truth and to act and walk and to be aligned with what you say and what you believe and who you are, as long as that's happened, and अगर आप एक लेवल पे आज़ाद हो जाते हैं, you're going to walk into a room, 3 or 4 people are not going to like you probably, because आज़ाद व्यक्ति कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा जो उन्हें आदत है वो थोड़ा सा उससे वो हो जाते हैं. So I think be free, show courage, and my message would be that in life you have to always go too far. Just believe in that philosophy. Always go too far, two steps more, 1 mile more.
That's
and
good.
Maybe it takes you somewhere, and even if it doesn't, you die happy.
Yeah. So you practice what you're preaching.
100%. 100%.
So
I mean,
nice.
I may not have reached the pinnacle of it,
You will.
but I'm
It's
on the
just the
path.
beginning.
Yes,
Just
yes,
the beginning.
yes.
Yeah. And तुम्ही तर फिल्म वगैरे पण करतात. फ्युचर फिल्म काय आहे तुमचं? जरा सांगा. हिंदी
बापरे.
आणि मराठी.
नाही मराठीच आहे माझी राखणदार नावाची फिल्म येणार आहे
हा, हा.
which I'm producing also.
And director also you are,
Directing also.
ना?
Yeah, we just launched the poster a couple of days back.
हा.
So आता त्याचं शूटिंग चालू होईल 23 ऑगस्ट पासून. We'll talk
अच्छा.
about it. definitely.
या. आणि हिंदी फिल्म वगैरे काय नाही करतात?
आता तरी नाही. We're focusing on Marathi right now because the market is too huge for Marathi and it'll get huger.
Yeah. And Ritesh has made it on a pedestal a little
Along
bit
with
more.
Ritesh,
Yeah.
short films also. There's
All
a
the
film called Hemant Dhume म्हणून आहे क्रांती ज्योती महाविद्यालय that made a business of 30 crores.
Hmm.
देऊळबंद 2 My Film sequel made 100 crores right now recently. So हम 250-300 करोड़ तो अभी कमा चुके हैं already. आधा साल भी खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Very good, very good. You have a very good content, you know, Marathi.
We're going
Content are
commercial
very
also.
good. Yeah.
We'll speak about it.
Yeah.
आराम से.
Thank you so much because I think there is a
Thank
queue.
you, ma'am.
God bless you.